Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. I'm Nancy, and today we're going to talk about a STEAM project for Hanukkah. Make sure that you pick up your Hanukkah craft curbside or come in and pick one up, and that you're filling out your reading log so that you can get prizes. We have lots of fun books about Hanukkah at the library that you can check out as well. So, if any of you like slime like I do, you can make slime for just about anything. And today we're going to do some that celebrate Hanukkah by making some blue and some silver. And then maybe we might even mix them together. So there's several different ways to make slime, but the first one that I'm going to show you is a really simple one. It just involves using some blue glitter glue. If you don't have glitter glue like this, that's okay. All you need to do is get some clear glue like this. You'll need about half a cup or so. So you could, if you don't have that, you can just get some clear glue like that. And then this is liquid starch. And you need anywhere from, if you have about 1/8 of a cup to 1/4 of a cup. And what you want to do is just mix them together, and then like as it's mixing together, see this is a little bit liquidy, so maybe I want to add a little more starch to make it more slimy. And then the more you mix it together, which I might even add a little bit more because I obviously have more than half a cup of glue, the more liquid starch that you add, the more you will get your slime consistency. Which slimy, it makes it kind of rubbery looking. And then for fun, in my slime, I've added some beads. And then I have some like sequiny thing glitter going on here too, which I'm just going to add a little bit of that too because I just like a lot of fun stuff. You can also add small confetti items to it. And then you just have to mix, mix, mix. You need to make sure that your liquid starch has borax in it, because this is what you want. See how it's slimy? That's what you want. You want it to be slimy. And the more you mix it, the more you will get that slime consistency. But there is more than one way to make slime. So I'm going to show you how you can do it with different ingredients. I'm also going to make a silver slime. Now all of these things you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. Maybe not the clear glue, but you can definitely find glitter glue there and glitter. And clear glue is not very expensive either. You can do it with white glue, but it doesn't give you quite the shine that clear glue does. So this one, I'm just using some glitter glue. I'm going to put a little bit of this clear glue. And then I'm adding saline solution. You have to make sure that your saline solution contains both boric acid and sodium borate, because it's the borate crystals that make it that slime consistency. So I'm going to add some of that. And then I'm also going to add just a tiny little bit of baking soda. And mixing those things together is what creates your slime. And then I have some silver glitter for Hanukkah. You could also use sequins. And just for fun, because I like the blue and silver colors of Hanukkah, I'm going to drop some blue beads in. You could also put little dreidels or menorahs or all of those important symbols for Hanukkah. And that's the fun thing about slime. You can make slime be appropriate for any kind of holiday or any kind of mood you're in. And you can also mix your slimes. So after I get this all colored the way I want it and I get it nice and slimy, then I could take my slime and add some blue slime to it. Let's see if I can get some. And I can kind of swirl that together and see. And once it's really slime consistency, you can either have you can see where you'll have strains of blue and strains of silver. It's kind of fun. It's kind of slimy. It's kind of glittery. Just lots of fun. So try this at home. Tell me what your favorite one is when you call. You can call or you can Facebook us and tell us which your favorite slime is. There's also edible slimes that you can find online. We do have, even here, we have some books that you can check out about making slime and other fun science experiments. So have fun with it. Thanks for watching. See you later.